Ashley from Attitude Reviews, and today we are unboxing Sips By. So if you're not familiar with Sips By, this is a monthly curated tea subscription box. It is customized for you based on your tastes and preferences. So you can get herbal tea, you can get caffeinated tea. They go by flavors. You'll fill out a survey when you sign up, and then from there you can further refine each month based on what you liked, what you didn't like. This is exceptional. This is an exceptional subscription if you are looking to kind of find out what you like. It's a great exploratory subscription. I do love this one. My flavors are, I love floral teas. I love a mixture of caffeinated and herbal. If you can't tell, got a little cold going on. It's cool. I'm good. Don't worry about me. But I have a tickle in my throat. Anyway, so Sips By is $15. I could use some tea, so I'm probably gonna be taking this box right upstairs, boiling me some hot water. All right. Sips By is $15 a month. It is an amazing subscription. I will link down below to my full review on my blog. I will also link to Sips By with my affiliate link. I do not know what's in here. We're gonna find out together. This is the December box. It says December teas. The back has all the teas that I'm receiving. We're going to go over this at the end though. So something I really love about this subscription is that they send you the disposable tea bags in this guy here. This thing is great if you make chicken noodle soup and you want to use like the neck. That way you can get all the flavor out of it, but you don't have any of the bones. I think that's awesome. All right, so first up we have 4 bags. Oh. 4 bags from the Republic of Tea. I love this color. This is chamomile lemon, which is great. It's herbal. And this has lemon balm, which is great. Like if you have anxiety, or it's just like a relaxing. Linden flower, orange blossoms, chamomile, lavender flower, skullcap, passion flower, and valerian root. So this would be great before bed, because valerian does help you sleep. Surrender to sleep round herb tea bags, and there's 4 of these. So obviously that's caffeine free. I love that. I think that's awesome. All right, next up we have, this is from Davidson's Organics. This is their organic Christmas tea. Sorry. A festive blend of tea with seasonal herbs and spices. So this is high caffeine because it does have organic black tea, organic cinnamon, organic orange peel, organic peppermint, organic cloves, organic nutmeg, and natural flavors. My throat is so tickly right now. I was like, it's like cough, cough, cough. So there are 4 bags of this. And by the way, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, third in my bag is from Cookie Tea, Macadamia Nut Cookie. This is a low caffeine because it is a green tea blend. This includes green tea, white cocoa butter splits, papaya bits, almond bits, flavor, cornflower petals, and it does contain nuts. I love the packaging. It's super cute. Gingham purple has the sorry. It's so tickly. Whew. Collect yourself. Oh my gosh. I should have brought some water down here. All right, final tea, guys. There's a card on the back with a picture of a beautiful lady. And in the front, this is from Mentalities LLC, Arrogant Madagascar Coconut White Tea. So I've never heard of this brand. It has Shumei white tea, coconut shreds, all natural flavor, and cornflower petals. A vibrant combination of sweet, creamy vanilla and toasty, smooth coconut. Together on a base of our delicately floral Shumei white tea. And speckled with... We had to take a break. There's like a feather. It's like there's a feather in my throat. It's speckled with snow white coconut shreds. This blend remains one of our best sellers year after year. All right, so those are our 4 teas for December. I'm honestly most excited about that herbal chamomile lemon from Republic of Tea. Obviously caffeine free. The Christmas tea is high caffeine. The Madagascar Arrogant Coconut White Tea has medium caffeine, as that does include white tea. And then that Macadamia Nut Cookie Tea from cookie tea is low caffeine. So that is everything. If you've made it this far, congratulations. That is everything that came in my Sips Buy box for December. If you are interested in them, I will link to them below. I will also link to my full review where you won't have to listen to me talk in this scratchy voice. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are having a magical holiday season. This is ridiculous. And you're staying healthy.